Hey guys, PepperAmmy here, and this week we are going to be taking a look at the African dish, Jollof Rice. Now, the spiciness of this dish is completely up to you. Most recipes call for between 1 and 2 Scotch bonnets or habanero peppers, but I substituted those for some jalapenos just for a more mild dish. Now, for this recipe you will need 1 can of tomatoes, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 onions, 2 bell peppers cored and stemmed, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of oil, you can use peanut, coconut or just plain vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of dry thyme, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 to 3 chicken breasts diced, 1 can of tomato paste, 2 to 4 servings of uncooked rice depending on how many people are going to be eating this meal, and 500 ml of chicken stock. To start, combine the tomatoes, garlic, onion, peppers and chilies if you are using any food processor and blend until you get a fine but not smooth mixture and set aside. Heat a medium frying pan over medium heat and melt the butter with the oil. Once the butter has melted, add the spices and then the chopped chicken and cook until the chicken is browned on all sides. Once browned, combine the chicken, tomato mixture, tomato paste, rice and chicken stock in a large saucepan and bring to a boil, stirring occasionally to make sure the rice doesn't stick and burn to the bottom of the pot. Once at a boil, reduce the heat to low and cover and cook for 20 minutes or until the rice is soft. Once cooked, remove from the heat and serve. This dish brought back some memories of mine when my mum first made this for me a good, I don't know, maybe 15 years ago, with a couple of too many chilies and almost killed me and my brothers, but you know, here I am to this day making it again and it tastes absolutely amazing. Now I personally love this dish and I will be making it more and possibly even this weekend for a party. Hope you guys enjoyed this week's video and consider making this amazing simple dish. If you enjoy cooking content on YouTube, be sure to subscribe for more weekly cooking videos. Thanks for watching and I'll hopefully see you all again next week.